My main takeaway for today is that we all agreed that marketing effectiveness measurement is too important to ignore. Companies are spending millions and millions on advertising and other media efforts, and they don't really know the ROI. And that's what it's all about, and it has become accessible for every company in the world.
Yeah, I think it was a really great event. It was a full room, a lot of different companies in the room sharing the same enthusiasm about measurement in general and MMM and the new trends of AI. For sure, I want to come back again. I always like these topics, and I think Artefact is doing a great job inviting cool brands to tell their story.